stand back. Something's lit. Is that it?
Are you kidding? Of course not.
What was that?
I don't know.
Crackle.
Lame. No. Wait, yeah, chuck it in there.
Wait. Oh my god. Run.
Hey, we have the death of your sister on tape.
Yay! Oh my god.
Thanks for standing behind me, guys. So, kerosene sucks for lighting everything on fire, I guess. Can someone sing the Jeopardy theme? Yes! That was great timing.
That was so perfect.
Was that the hairspray?
Yep.
Hey, have you guys ever lit silly string on fire?
No.
You guys, you haven't lived.
You should stop. It's not gonna blow up anymore.
Yes, it is.
Anything else?